Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a house update of the previous video that we did, the house tour that had 27,000 views. We are going to take you through the changes. Tumefanya a little arrangement ama rearrangement ya nyumba. Stay tuned. From the door, kuna tushura hapo. On top of it, my fine arts. Yes. From kando ya shura we have our entertainment set, which kuna TV, a tiny speaker, and tiny little babies. Then beside it, a tiny fridge which has a lot of drinks. IE0 water. In the sitting area. From the living area tunakuja kwa dressing area. So initially kitanda ilikuwa huko, then tukachange tukarudisha huko kwa dressing area. So these are our two mafutas at our baby. Alafu hapa ni two pampers to baby, huku ni two blankets to baby. Then from there we have our suitcases, machine is a baby, alafu clothes stand. By the way, I didn't show you people, nilibuy stickers. So hiyo ndo change tumemake, sindio? The only one. Then from there, our bed. Our lovely bed. I also bought this. There you go. No. Yeah, I bought that one. Alright. We mat. Then now this is our kitchen now. Kitchen ilikuwa aje last time, I can't recall. But pia make some changes. I think hizi haziko hapa. But for now tumegeusha, tumechange. Vyombo ziko huku, then tukunyesha. Alafu storage area bado imebaki tumeandikwa. So we are done.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you